Hello everyone, I am Monica Hira from Raval Convent School. Today I am going to explain you chapter Is Matter Around Us Pure of class 9th. Today the topic of my explanation is separating the components of a mixture. The components of a mixture are separated depending on the physical state of the substance in the mixture. The first method is how can we obtain colored components from blue-black ink? The process used for this is evaporation. The process of evaporation is used to separate the volatile component from its non-volatile solute. On evaporation, the dissolved substance is left as a solid residue when all the liquid has evaporated. Next method used to separate cream from milk. It is the process known as centrifugation. The principle for centrifugation is that the denser particles are forced to the bottom and the lighter particles stay at the top when spun rapidly. Centrifugation is the process. It is used in many ways, such as diagnostic laboratories for blood and urine test. It is used in home to separate butter from cream, and it is also used in washing machines to squeeze out water from wet clothes. The next method is used to separate a mixture of two immiscible liquids. Immiscible liquids are those liquids which do not mix with each other, such as oil and water. The principle of separating funnel is that immiscible liquids separate out in layers depending on their densities. There are various applications for separating funnel. It is used for separating the mixture of oil and water and also extraction of iron from its ore. The next method is used to separate salt and camphor. The method used is known as sublimation. It is a process in which a solid changes directly into gas without passing through the liquid state. Various sublimable substances are iodine, ammonium chloride, camphor, naphthalene, anthracene, etc. They all are separated by this process. The next method is chromatography. It is a technique of separating two or more dissolved solids which are present in a solution in very small quantities. It is based on the fact that though two or more substances are soluble in the same solution, but their solubilities are different. There are various applications of chromatography. It is used to separate colors in a dye, pigments from natural colors, drugs from blood, and it is also used in forensic science to detect and identify trace amounts of substances in the contents of bladder or stomach. This method is used to separate the mixture of two or more miscible liquids. The process used are distillation and fractional distillation. Distillation. It is used for the separation of components of a mixture containing two miscible liquids that boil without decomposition and have sufficient difference in their boiling points. Next is fractional distillation. It is a process to separate a mixture of two or more miscible liquids for which the difference in boiling point is less than 25 Kelvin.